In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate emails workflow on Brevo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Automations. This is the area where Brevo lets you build workflows that run in the background based on triggers and actions you choose. It is a helpful way to send consistent emails without doing it manually each time. Once you are in the Automation section, go to the top right and click the option to create an automation. This starts the workflow builder and opens a few setup choices. For this tutorial, you will build a simple automation with one trigger and one email, so choose Start from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control and keeps the workflow straightforward, which is great when you are learning or when you want a clean, simple sequence. Next, you will set the entry point. Click Add an entry point, then select the trigger called Contact Added to a List. This means the workflow will begin whenever a new person is added to a specific contact list in your Brevo account. This is commonly used for welcome emails, lead magnets, or onboarding messages because it ties the email to a clear moment in the subscriber journey. After you select that trigger, move on to the action. Choose the action. Send an email. When prompted, pick the email template you want to use. Select a template that matches the purpose of this automation and make sure it is ready to send. A useful tip here is to confirm the template has the correct subject line and sender details, since this is the message Brevo will automatically send each time the trigger happens. With your trigger and email action in place, you are ready to turn it on. Click Activate. Activating makes the automation live, so future contacts added to that list will automatically receive the email you selected. Take a moment to confirm you activated the correct workflow, especially if you have multiple automations. And that is all there is to it.